Hello workout buddies! In this video, I'm going to share with you my 6 simple and effective exercises to grow your booty with kettlebell. You can try them at home or at the gym. If you don't have a kettlebell, you can try them with resistance band or without any equipment. Increase more repetitions till you feel the burn. Alright, let's start with workout number 1, sumo squats. If you want to grow booty, find the best squat position you like. I'm doing sumo squats. Feet wider than shoulders. Go as low as you can. I often do 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps per set. Reduce weight if your legs are shaking too much and increase more ways to challenge yourself a bit. Moving next to the second workout is squats with steps. The higher position you stand, the lower you can drop your kettlebell. That means more gravity to glutes. Oh, this workout is great to target your maximus muscles and hamstrings. I tried 3 sets, also 10 to 12 reps per set. Third workout is side squats. I felt the burn very fast with this workout. As you can see, when I went down on the ground, my legs couldn't go low anymore. Give it a try and you can feel it. This workout targets your medius and minimus muscles. They help grow your hips. Number 4 is swings. I like this workout, it's kind of fun doing it. But instead of doing normal standing swings, I go low to squat position. It benefits your calves, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Remember to stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulders. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps per set. Number 5 is side walk. This workout is great to target your hip muscles. Keep your back straight and firm. Kettlebell hold in front of your chest. Make it 12 to right and left.
If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone, but you only get a sip.
Last workout is squats with weight plates. This workout is great if you don't want to grow mass muscles on your calves and thighs. You can feel the sensation in this area while doing this exercise. Target primarily your booty. Go as low as you can. Switch to lighter weight if you find it hard to balance. This is one of my favorite booty workouts to grow butt without growing muscles on your legs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section which workout in this video you like, or maybe try it later. Subscribe to my channel to join my fitness journey with me. Intense booty workout without equipment or with resistance band will be my next video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching, enjoy your day, and until next time. Bye!